Masarap nga ba tong giant ebi tempura that's even bigger than my face? Finally tried this trending ebi tempura here at Shokudo restaurant in Timog and share ko na din everything that we ordered. Let's go! So of course, we had to get the ebi tempura and in fairness, totoong malaki yung shrimp na gamit. It was nice and crispy and I honestly really enjoyed it kasi malasa yung mismong tempura pati na din yung tempura sauce. But if hindi ka fan ng makakapal na batter, then this may not be for you. The tantan men was also pretty decent. It was boldly spiced, rich and flavorful yung broth. Super tender yung pork dito and the noodles were perfectly cooked. Masarap din naman yung salmon tartar and in fairness dito, generous din sa serving. Although masyadong madami yung tempura flakes, so medyo may umay factor na siya. For me, winner din tong ribeye teppanyaki. May nakain lang akong part na chewy pero the rest naman was tender, well seasoned and the sauce was pretty good. Pero mas na-enjoy ko tong seafood teppanyaki na may kasamang iba-ibang seafood. Sobrang laki ng prawn, it was cooked perfectly, pati na din yung salmon. Love the flavors on the sauce na may pagka-sweet and savory tapos may hint